Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Juliet's Closet. I know it's been a while, but I'm back and I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression on the YSL Monogram Wallet on Chain. If you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Also leave timestamps down below if you guys are just interested in one part. Okay, so here's a quick snippet of when I unboxed the bag. As you guys saw, I was really surprised when it came with the box and it was so well packaged. So I was happy with that. Cause when I got my medium cape from Selfridges, that didn't come with a box. It just came with the YSL dust bag. It didn't even come with the Selfridges dust bag too. So anyway, here is the Uptown Wallet on Chain. And I got it in the color beige. They do offer it in other colors. Red, black, and I think there's a gray now. Although I think the red is out of stock. Okay, moving forward, so here is the Uptown Wallet on Chain. And here is a close-up. Okay, so no pockets in the back and no feet. So it is made out of 100% calf skin leather with a snap button closure. I'll show you guys. Here it is. It also says Saint Laurent in the button. And it comes with a gold toned hardware, and on the inside it's also leather, but on the inside it's black, which is nice so that it doesn't get dirty. Like if you like to put your pens or lip products in there, it won't get stained. And it also comes with a card holder. And this is what the card holder looks like. I just put some cards in there. You can fit 3, and then you have like this billfold, like a small billfold that if you want to put more cards or your dollar bills. And the inside pocket. So this one is mostly just for your essentials. As you can see, it's not that big. Like here's my hand. And I'll compare it with the medium cape. So here is my medium cape, and here's a comparison. Okay. Let's talk about dimensions. So 7.5 for the length, 4.75 inches in height, and then 1.5 inches in depth. Okay, and it is made in Italy. Now let's see what fits inside. So you can put your card holder in there. And then I have my iPhone 7 Plus right there. Let's see, my key fob and my lip product, and then you can snap it easy. Like I said, it's just my essentials, and it's already kind of bulky. And so here, let's see if I can fit my sanitizer. Maybe if I put the phone in the back instead. So Okay, and I just love the color on this, and then I'll show you guys the many ways that you can wear this. First is you can just wear it with the same length. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, and you can also wear it as a crossbody. And the chain is detachable, so you can either take it off or put it inside and wear this as a clutch. And you can also, if you want, you could put a different type of chain in. Next is you put the chains on the opposite sides, just like that. Close it. And then close it, that way it'll be a shorter length. And you can even do it one more time and just like go around again. And then you can have like a little handbag you could put on the crook of your arm, or you can just wear it on your hands. And you have this chain detail on the top, or you can bring this out and wear it as a double chain. Just be careful of the rubbing on the sides. Next is just twist this and then put it inside the purse. That way it has its chain detail on the front, and it has a shorter and chain on the inside, and you can wear it as a shoulder bag. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found it helpful, then please hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to my channel. And I will do a follow-up review on this bag and see if I still like it then, and I'll also talk about wear and tear. Talk to you guys next time. Bye.